1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter how little you are. It only matters about the size of your heart. Determination is the key to grab the earth at the bottom of the sea. She was just a little muskrat when she swam in the sea. She gave it her all. She saw what could be. She almost didn't make it, but with the help of her friends, they pulled her out from the deep end. The story ends with a couple great themes, with teamwork and heart. That's all you need.
There, that's how it goes.